Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and safe today. My name is Teacher Pogi and I will be your teacher in English. For today's lesson, we are going to start with Unit 1, New World 3. But before that, I have here a warm-up question. This question will be easy. And this is the question. How are you feeling today? Can you please say it again? How are you feeling today? One more time. How are you feeling today? In Thai. One more time in Thai. How can you answer this question? Good. So you can answer this by saying, I feel blank today. Can you please say it? I feel blank today. One more time. I feel blank today. You can say, I feel happy today. Can you please say it? I feel happy today. Very good. You can say, I feel unhappy today. Good. Or you can say, I feel sad today. You can say, I feel tired today. One more time. I feel tired today. You can also say, I feel angry today. Good. I feel angry today. Or you can say, I feel mad today. One more time. I feel mad today. You can also say, I feel hungry today. I feel hungry today. Or you can also say, I feel sleepy today. One more time. I feel sleepy today. So, when somebody asks you, how are you feeling today? So, we are talking about emotions. So, how do you feel today? Now, I want to ask you, how are you feeling today? And your answer is? Very good. Let's proceed. For today's vocabulary, we have here workout. Can you please say it again? Workout. Good. When we say workout, to do physical exercise as a way of keeping fit. One more time. To do physical exercise as a way of keeping fit. Very good. Or in Thai. Nice. Next. This one. So this is workout. So he is doing some workout. Next vocabulary, we have exercise. Can you please say it again? Exercise. Good. It means to do physical activity that is done in order to become stronger. One more time. To do physical activity that is done in order to become stronger. Good. Or in Thai. Nice. So these are example of exercise. Exercise. Next. Social media. Can you please say it again? Social media. Good. When we say social media, these are forms of electronic communication through which users create online communities to share information, idea, messages, or etc. Can you please read it again? forms of electronic communication through which users create online communities to share information, idea, message, and etc. Or in Thai, good. These are examples of social media. We have the Facebook, we have the Line, we have the Instagram, we have the WhatsApp, we have the Twitter, we have the TikTok. Yeah, this one. So these are social media. Good. Next we have jog. Can you please say it again? Jog. Good. When we say jog, to run slowly and steadily for a long time. One more time. To run slowly and steadily for a long time. Or in Thai, very good. So this one is jog or jogging. Same as this one. Everybody say jog. Good. Next we have hobby. Everybody say hobby. When you say hobby, this is an activity for pleasure. One more time. An activity for pleasure. Or in Thai, good. For example, this one, painting, singing, dancing, playing guitar, or playing basketball. So those are examples of hobby. Good. Next vocabulary is bake. Everybody say bake. Good. It means to cook something in an oven. Everybody say to cook something in an oven. Good. Or in Thai. Good. Example, this one, baking cake or baking a bread. Everybody say bake. Good. Next will be extreme sports. Everybody say extreme sports. Good. It means sports that are exciting and dangerous. Again, one more time. Sports that are exciting and dangerous. Or in Thai. Good. Example, we have this one. Next, we have this one. This one. And this one. Everybody say extreme sports. Good. Next is motorcycle riding. It means sitting on and controlling a motorcycle. One more time. Sitting on and controlling a motorcycle. Or in Thai. Good. Example. Everybody say motorcycle riding. Good. Next we have classical. Everybody say classical. It means belonging to a traditional style or set of ideas. One more time. belonging to a traditional style or set of ideas. Good. In Thai, example, this one, and this one. Everybody say classical. Good. Let's practice. Let's see if you can still remember those vocabulary words that you have learned today. What is this? Okay, workout. Next, this one. Exercise. How about this one? Social media. This one. Jog. This one. Hobby. This one. Bake. This one. Extreme sports. Good. How about this one? Motorcycle riding. Good. This one? Okay, this is classical. Good. For today's lesson, we are going to listen about this. How often do you work out? You are going to listen on these phrases, and afterwards you are going to answer some questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started.
Unit 1. How often do you work out? Pages 2 and 3. New language. Mark the activities you do. How often do you do those things?
I enjoy working out. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Ben.
I like jogging. I often jog in the morning. Hannah. I hate exercising. I love using social media. I spend hours surfing the internet. Emma.
One more time.
Unit 1. How often do you work out? Pages 2 and 3. New language. Mark the activities you do. How often do you do those things?
I enjoy working out. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Ben.
I like jogging. I often jog in the morning. Hannah. I hate exercising. I love using social media. I spend hours surfing the internet. Emma.
Next.
I seldom play sports. Sometimes I play a game of tennis. My favorite hobby is cooking and baking. Claudia.
I'm on the soccer team. We usually practice after school twice a week. Zachary.
One more time.
I seldom play sports. Sometimes I play a game of tennis. My favorite hobby is cooking and baking. Claudia.
I'm on the soccer team. We usually practice after school twice a week. Zachary.
Next.
I love extreme sports. I often go motorcycle riding on the weekend. Josh.
I enjoy watching movies. I sometimes see 5 or 6 movies a week. Noah.
I play classical guitar. I usually practice 1 or 2 hours a day. Becky.
One more time.
I love extreme sports. I often go motorcycle riding on the weekend. Josh.
I enjoy watching movies. I sometimes see 5 or 6 movies a week. Noah.
I play classical guitar. I usually practice 1 or 2 hours a day. Becky.
Do you get it? Now it's time for you to practice. I want you to get your notebook and answer these questions. So this is just a true or false. You will just write true if the statement is true or correct, and write false if the statement is false or incorrect. Are you ready? Now, just hold your pen and let me read the statements. Number 1. Hannah never runs in the morning. Is it true or false? Number 2. Ben often goes to the gym. Is it true or false? Number 3. Emma enjoys exercising. Is it true or false? Number 4. Claudia's favorite hobby is tennis. Is it true or false? Number 5. Noah is crazy about movies. Is it true or false? And number 6. Becky seldom practices the guitar. Is it true or false? You can pause the video and answer. And that's all for today. So I hope you keep safe always, and see you soon. Bye bye.